Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. It's now December and summer is finally here. It's been a hot week, several days in the mid-30s, and my garden is really enjoying it. Several of my fruits and vegetables are flowering and fruiting, and it's all rather exciting. Now, I've been thinking for some time that the organism that we've been following, which we hope to grow into an avocado tree, needs a name. A few weeks ago, I asked you to help me name the avocado seed and roots. I was thrilled to receive so many responses. Thank you very much if you submitted a name for my consideration. Some of the names were very much avocado related, like Guac-ky Balboa, Avogo, and Ava. Some were submitted by people who related the name back to myself, like Scotticado and Scott, Australian for avocado, which was submitted during the Victorian state election, I suppose like some kind of a politician, which is interesting. And then there were some names which weren't related to myself or to avocados at all, and these were my favourites, like Hercules, Gerald, and Flipper. But at the end of the day, I could only give one name to my avocado. And the name I have decided is Norbert. I think Norbert is a fantastic name, originating as a Germanic given name with meaning stemming from north and bright. And I think this gives us hope for the future, that it will grow into a big and strong tree, which will bear us much fruit. I also think that Norbert is a fun name to say. Norbert continues to grow roots, even little roots coming from the large roots. I was, for a moment, concerned that it had stopped growing, but I have been observing further root activity, which I suppose is great, but I'd really like to see some upward growth. And just like we're seeing in several of the other avocado seeds that I'm germinating and am now looking towards planting in soil. But we will continue to wait patiently. That's all for today's update. Thank you very much to all who submitted name suggestions. And remember, if you or anyone you know may be able to assist me in providing grafting material, please send me an email at scottgrowsanavocadotree@gmail.com. Thank you once again for watching. I appreciate all the support and excitement, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.